guys! So, this video should be very interesting to say the least because I'm going to try on false eyelashes for the very first time. I don't know how I feel about this. I don't know what to expect. Hopefully it goes smoothly and we have no issues. I don't know. I mean, I haven't even watched that many videos about putting on eyelashes, so I'm going in here blind today. Now, I do know that you want to, it's good to look for the ones that have a clear band. You want ones that look natural, look real, so if they're really shiny, they may not look as natural as other kinds. And let me just start off by showing you guys what I have to work with here. I have 3 different kinds here. So I have this set, it's Revlon. There's 4 different styles in here. And I bought these because I was shopping at my local Rite Aid and they were clearance for like $2. And I think the glue was, you know, around the same price. So they were clearance, they were very inexpensive, so I was like, hey, why not? I grabbed them. And then I was at TJ Maxx, and you know, they always have good deals. It's always less expensive at TJ Maxx. And I had heard that Ardell is a good brand for false eyelashes, so I picked these ones up. These are a very different, unique shade, and they have a glue. They look pretty good to me. And then these ones are from e.l.f. and these I got as a gift. I did a purchase. Sometimes when you place a purchase with e.l.f., they send you a free gift. Now the only thing with these is these look like plastic. I don't know, if you turn them, you can just see they start shine, and they just look like that cheap plastic. And also the band, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on here, but the band, you can see the glue stuff, or the plastic strip that they're attached. I don't know, you can just see it. You can see all the clear glue gunk. It's so noticeable to me. So I don't know about these ones. These ones I would have to say, I don't know. I think these ones are a no for me. I don't think I'm going to try these ones on. And also, since it is my first time, these ones are definitely very, very big. Very long. Very standoutish. Oh my god, I already messed it up. Seriously? This is going to be interesting. Alright, so these ones are not subtle in any way, shape, or form. So I'm going to ease myself into this and start off with a pair that's not, what's the word I'm looking for? Start off with a pair that just isn't too extreme. I don't know. I don't know which ones to choose, if I should wear these or one of these pairs. This is kind of tough. I don't know. Something about these, though, they're so rounded. It seems like an odd shape. I think I'm going to wear one of these, the Revlon ones. Let's open them up. Let's start there. Instructions are on the back of the blue box. Yay. Instructions say, apply a thin line of adhesive along the eyelash band while holding the lashes gently on both ends. Flex lashes a few times. Hold for 20 seconds or until adhesive is tacky. Place them as close to the natural lash line. Gently press eyelashes with fingers to secure lashes in place. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is going to be interesting. I think I should use tweezers, right? To kind of hold them. Alright, so I'm going to go with second pair right here. So, does it matter which eye? Okay, so using this Revlon adhesive. Okay, so it's like a brush, almost like a nail polish brush. Okay, I'm going to take these tweezers. Oh my god. Oh, this is difficult. Oh, this is so tricky. Oh my god. I can't even tell if it's like lined up properly or not. Oh my goodness. Really? I really can't even tell if this is lined up the way it should be or not. This is so strange. Oh my gosh. I feel like that's not sticking. It's not working, or I didn't do it right. Okay, I think I didn't put enough glue. So let's try putting a little more. Now my eye feels weird. Alright, let's try putting a little more glue on. I'm going to use the tweezers because I don't know, I think that's a good idea. It's so hard. Okay, so it's really hard to put this on my left eye because I can't see very well out of my right eye. And I don't have contacts in. So it's really, really tricky. Alright, let's try this again. I want to get it like right where it's supposed to be. Oh, it feels sticky. Oh my god, it feels weird. It really does. Oh my god, it's not. What the heck? So frustrating. Yeah, it's not staying. This feels so odd. My goodness, it feels weird. And they're definitely longer than just my eyelashes with mascara. But you have to look really hard to be able to notice. And I feel like I definitely need practice, and this isn't on exactly how it's supposed to be. But that's okay, because this is my first time. And I won't be wearing these for long. I'm not going anywhere today, so it is all good. There we go with the other one. Next one. Next eye. Ah, I just dropped it. Okay, so I think I have them on. They seem to not be wanting to, like, stick very well on the inner corner. It's really driving me nuts. Again, I feel like it's not sticking well in the inner corner, so I don't know if A, I didn't use enough glue, B, my eye started watering up, so it's not wanting to stick because it's wet. Not exactly sure. Okay, so they're on. They are certainly far from perfect. I definitely need a lot more practice. But that's my first time, and that's it. They're not, yeah, this one's not staying attached. I need practice. I definitely need a lot of practice before I start wearing these out in public. Okay, so that's it. This is my first time wearing false eyelashes. I need practice, you guys. I need some practice here. They don't want to stick on the inside, okay? My eye got so watery doing it that it's just wet, so it's not, the adhesive's not drying and sticking down. So they're very fragile right now. If I was going to put mascara on to give the full look, but as soon as I bring that wand through them, it's going to pull right up. So I guess an A for effort. I will keep at it because one day I will master false eyelashes. And you guys will be my witness to that. But until then, we are just going to end here. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.